She is feeling a sore throat and neck pain. She is feeling a sore throat and neck pain. She is confidently explaining the documents. She is confidently explaining the documents. He is scratching his head in wonder. He is scratching his head in wonder. The businessman is smiling happily. The businessman is smiling happily. He is withdrawing money from the ATM. He is withdrawing money from the ATM. She is ready to play volleyball. She is ready to play volleyball. She checks orders on her smartphone while riding a scooter. She checks orders on her smartphone while riding a scooter. He writes notes on the clipboard. He writes notes on the clipboard. She is lying on the sofa relaxing. She is lying on the sofa relaxing. He is celebrating his big success. He is celebrating his big success. She scans the parcel carefully. She scans the parcel carefully. He is working on the computer. He is working on the computer. He is paddling a canoe in a life vest. The fisherman is catching fish in the boat. The fisherman is catching fish in the boat. The female police officer rides a green motorcycle. The female police officer rides a green motorcycle. He wears a firefighter uniform proudly. He wears a firefighter uniform proudly. He is going back home now. He is going back home now. He is holding a toy car in his hand. He is holding a toy car in his hand. She dressed up very quickly. She dressed up very quickly. He eats food with chopsticks. He eats food with chopsticks. He is shopping online using his phone. He is shopping online using his phone. She is packing the order carefully. She is packing the order carefully. He is checking the office files. He is checking the office files. They are talking about the plan. They are talking about the plan. She is sending a message quickly. She is sending a message quickly. He is waiting near the door. He is waiting near the door. She is holding the important papers. She is holding the important papers.